Hello everyone, Dean here at Ridge & Sons RV headquarters, standing outside the beautiful new 2026 Puma Camping Edition 303 BHCE. And there's a few pretty cool options on this new floor plan that I'd like to show you, and I'll start with around the back on the outdoor kitchen. Standing at the rear of this 30-foot unit, you can see a beautiful outdoor kitchen here, griddle, wash basin, and a beverage cooler for all your outdoor needs. You're going to set that stuff up anyway, so much nicer when it's already in the unit. All right, here we are inside the unit. We can start out right over here with a beautiful size queen size bed. You got the nightstands on each side of the bed. A great GE profile unit dedicated just AC unit dedicated just for that room. So very cold, keep it cold. Nice pocket doors that come out, barn style doors that close that off. You can have the privacy there. Moving into the living area of the coach, great storage underneath the couch here. Awesome storage, comfortable couch. Dinette, you can actually fit in some of those U-shaped dinettes you're not able to fit in. That's when you certainly could fit 4 adults comfortably. You got a great kitchen here with a top freezer, microwave, 3-burner stove, large residential style sink. Moving right back into the large bathroom here. And you can just see a lot of room there. Linen storage, again, overlooked in a lot of units, certainly not in this Puma Camping Edition. Coming back here, so this would be my favorite kind of addition and new change to the 2026s. This room here is, they call it the bunk room, but it's certainly something your kids can grow into instead of grow out of. So it's pretty awesome. Just a full-size queen bed there, a couple bunks up top. So plenty of room back here for the rest of the family. And maybe that black sheep of the family you want to keep away from everybody else. All right, thanks so much for your time, guys. Appreciate you coming through this unit with me. Any other questions on this unit, or maybe some others that we have in a lot, please come on down today. Talk to me, Dean. I'd be happy to go through some information with you. Have a great day.